law focuses on regulating production of ozone-depleting substances, or ODSs, as opposed to emissions of ODSs. Production is defined as domestic production plus imports of ODSs. The program's focus on production is important because ODSs originate in many small sources such as aerosol sprayers and refrigerators. The challenge here, and it's one that also relates to climate change, is how to effectively regulate phasing out so many different sources. The advantage with the ozone protection program is that the list of ODSs containing products is limited and the number of manufacturers of ODSs are small. Thus, the impact on industry, while significant, was manageable. The program has two phases. In Phase 1, which began in 1991 and lasted until the year 2000, the most potent ODSs were phased out first. In fact, by 1996, U.S. production ended for many of the chemicals capable of doing the most serious harm, such as CFCs, halons, and methylchloroforms. Per this law, EPA eventually banned products such as plastic party streamers and noise worms that use CFC propellants and CFC-containing polyurethane foams used in packaging, among many other personal items. In Phase 2 of the program, the law addressed Class 2 substances. These are hydro-CFCs, which were introduced as temporary substitutes for CFCs. The law required that all hydro-CFCs be phased out entirely by 2030, so we're in Phase 2. Most HCFCs were to be phased out by 2015, but there's an exemption that lasts from 2015 to 2020 for products that are recycled, completely consumed in the production line, or used as a refrigerant in appliances manufactured before 2020. So there's still products out there today with HCFCs. HCFCs are currently being replaced by hydrofluorocarbons, which are not an ozone-depleting substance, but act as a potent greenhouse gas. The Montreal Protocol was amended to reduce the HFCs with the goal of an 85% reduction by 2036. There are numerous exemptions to the phase-out of ODSs. Most of the exemptions are based on social, economic, or public health considerations. You can see some listed here for aviation testing, medical devices, fumigating imports and exports, and emergency equipment. The law relies on a reporting program, and there's a market-based allowance trading program similar to that in the acid deposition control program. Finally, there's a labeling program for all products that contain or are made through the use of ODSs.